Olivia Rodrigo is coming to Hong Kong for the Guts tour, and I've known her since High School Musical, the series, season 1. That's a long name, but I've seen her merch, and there's this Spill Your Guts t-shirt. It's so cute. It's black, and I have a black t-shirt, and I just learned how to stitch. And I'm just gonna stitch the Spill Your Guts on the black t-shirt to make the merch and wear it to her concert. So I can't wait to start making it. So let's get started. So I've got my black shirt with some masking tape on it to let me know where the Spill Your Guts should locate, and I'm placing my iPad with the Spill Your Guts logo under the first layer so that I could trace over it. And now I'm using chalk to trace over the logo, but you can barely see it on the screen because the light of my iPad can hardly go through the black fabric, but I have already gotten my iPad to its brightest, so I couldn't do anything. So as long as I can trace the words, it's gonna be fine. And I'm done tracing the spill your, and now I'm tracing the guts with each letter inside a heart. The two hearts in the middle are both a little tilted to the sides, and the hearts on the sides are straight. And now I can start stitching on the shirt. I'm doing a very simple stitch because I'm still just a beginner, so don't think that this is a tutorial. And now I've got my first letter done. It's not bad and better than I thought it would come out. And I'm also done stitching the P. The I is too tall, but I don't have enough strings to start over, so I'll just have to leave it like that. And I love how the two L's came out. They kind of look cooler than the other letters. The U is a little tilted, but it's gonna be fine. And the only white letter left is the R. Now Spill Your is done, and the chalk on the guts has faded, so I'll have to trace guts out again before stitching on them again. I don't have enough of the purple color string I like, so I cannot fill the whole heart with purple color, and I'm just going to stitch the outline of the heart and the letter. I'm going to use the purple color I like on the U first and see how much of this color I have left. If I really ran out of this color, then I'll use the darker color on the G and the lighter color on the S to make it look like it has a cool gradient of purple on the guts, letters, and hearts. Because the purple string I like already ran out while I'm stitching on the T, so I have to switch to a lighter color purple on T. So everything seems to be done so fast, and I'm going to show you my real working speed in this part of the video, because this shirt took me a whole day to finish, so if you see anyone selling something handmade, please really appreciate it because they really put a lot of effort and time while making them, and I'm starting to know why they cost so much. And now I'm only done with the first stitch. I know it's slow, so enjoy my little montage. Now we only have one final heart and the letter G left, and the shirt will be done. Oh, I really like this Guts shirt idea, and I really hope that Olivia saw me with my shirt on. Oh, I can't wait for Olivia to come in September. I really hope this shirt turns out great because I'm definitely gonna take a lot of photos during the concert. So I've got it on, Spill Your Guts. I love it so much. I could just go straight to the Guts concert right now. But we have to wait for Olivia to come in September. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm also making a video on it, so stay tuned if you want to watch it. And I really recommend you to stitch anything you want on anything you like to show off your craftsmanship. And comment down below if you want to see more crafting videos, because I would love to do it, but it just takes a long time to make and upload and edit, so I really appreciate other crafter YouTubers out there. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!